Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to deposit and withdraw funds using Binance in 2025, whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher. Let's dive in. First things first, log into your Binance account on desktop or mobile. Make sure you've completed identity verification, especially for fiat deposits or withdrawals. Now let's deposit. Go to Wallet, then Fiat and Spot. Click Deposit. Choose whether you want to deposit crypto or fiat. Crypto, choose the coin, select the right network like ERC20 or BEP20, and copy the wallet address. Fiat, choose your currency and payment method, bank transfer, card, or P2P. Follow the instructions and the funds will arrive shortly. Important, always double-check the network before sending funds. For example, don't send USDT from a BEP20 wallet to an ERC20 address. Also, use only trusted sources, never deposit from suspicious platforms. Now let's withdraw crypto. Go to Wallet, Fiat and Spot, Withdraw. Choose your coin. Paste the correct wallet address. Select the right network. Enter amount and click Confirm. Always confirm the network fee before proceeding. It changes based on the coin and blockchain load. To withdraw fiat to your bank, go back to the Withdraw page, select your local currency, then pick your method, card, bank transfer, or even peer-to-peer. Fill in your details and confirm. Fiat withdrawals may take a few hours to a couple of business days depending on your region. To keep track, go to Transaction History under your wallet. You'll see every deposit and withdrawal with a status like processing or completed. If anything goes wrong, use Binance chat support. Security tip: always enable 2FA, whitelist your withdrawal addresses, and activate anti-phishing codes. These steps protect your funds from phishing or hacks. P2P is Binance's peer-to-peer marketplace. It lets you buy and sell crypto directly with other users. It's useful in regions with limited fiat options and offers zero fees for most trades. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to deposit and withdraw funds on Binance. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto guides. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone.